Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to accept collaboration requests on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Instagram app. Click on the heart icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Once the activity section opens, tap the post on which someone invited you to be the collaborator. Click on the blue review button, which sends you to a pop-up window to accept or decline the collaboration invitation. Select Accept and you're ready to go. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.